And welcome back. President and head coach at Races Track Club, Glenn Mills, says the JAAs must give consideration to the proposal made by Adidas given the size of the figure. The multi-billion-dollar proposal also includes US $250,000 a year for stadium creation. More in this report.
Adidas recently made a proposal worth over 6 billion Jamaican dollars to partner the J3As over an 8-year period. Whether local track and field's governing body is considering entering formal negotiations with the German sportswear giants is a closely guarded secret. But renowned coach Glenn Mills, whose Racers Track Club is sponsored by Adidas, thinks objectivity must be the order of the day.
My thing is this: it doesn't matter the name of the company. What I would like to see and know that the value of the Jamaican athletics is achieved in the marketing of the product we have. We have produced the very best the world has ever seen, and we have dominated the sprints with the men and the women. Our product is high valued, and whoever lead athletics should ensure that we get the maximum value for it, because it is on the sweat and tears of our athletes who go out there and perform to bring glory to the country, glory to themselves, and those who represent them must get the very best for them.
Mills says the sheer size of the offer should be enough to make the local sports governing body seriously consider going to the negotiation table.
A proposal of that magnitude require, you don't scoff at billions of dollars. You must have a reason you must have reasons to look at it, and if you have better, then fine, But you can't just scoff at it. It is an offer that needs some kind of analysis or attention.
Mills was also asked if he would put a word in on Adidas' behalf, given his influence.
They have their people who are trained and employed to do this kind of work. But whatever light I can shed or whatever positive words I can, I will do that.
Adidas' proposal is for a yearly investment of over 750 million Jamaican dollars a year, or 4.85 million US dollars. It would also include, among other things, bonuses for medals won at major international championships. The J3As is currently sponsored by Puma. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.